Hello everyone, this is question number 8. These questions belong to environment. The question states that geothermal field requires combination of the following three conditions. We have to identify those three conditions which is the required in geothermal field. So 5 statement has been given. The 5 conditions is there A, B, C, D, E, and we have to identify the 3 conditions which contains or which we can say the required condition or combination for the geothermal field here. So basically, what is the geothermal field or geothermal energy? We could say that geothermal energy is the thermal energy in the Earth's crust which originates from the formation of the planet and from the radioactive decay of materials. Day by day we are trying to find out the different source of energy from our earth. So geothermal energy is one of the source which we get energy from the crust of the earth which originate from the formation of the planet. The definition is written here. So we need to identify the 3 conditions here. The first condition states that a natural underground source of water. Of course we need that because when we dig up in the earth we somehow get the water. As you can see in the picture as well, there is a statement called water flow is here. So as you can see, there is a water flow under the earth, and there are above that there is impermeable cap rock, or we can say simply cap rock is here. And in the last we have the impermeable bedrock. In the last we have the magma or the source of the heat, and from this source we are getting the energy. So first is statement A is very true, that a natural underground source of water we get, and this is the one of the required thing in order to get the thermal energy, geothermal energy. So the option which does not contain the option A, the statement A, we can exclude that. So simply we can eliminate the option C and D here. Now let's check the another one. A mountain in the vicinity, an impermeable layer, a coal mine in the vicinity, and a large mass of hot rock in the vicinity. Did you observe that vicinity is a common here? Vicinity is not a technical term here basically, which vicinity basic meaning is the surrounding area. You can say the surrounding area in the geothermal plant, or we can say in geothermal field, vicinity is just the surrounding area. So which the next thing we required here, as you observe the remaining 2 options, one option is very common which is C, an impermeable layer. So we can eliminate that, or we can just ignore this. C option somehow is very true because we have remaining 2 options left, and C is in the both the options. So let's check the another option here. The B is not, so we need not to check this B because B does not include in any one of the options, so we can also ignore that. Just check the last D and E. D states that a coal mine in the vicinity, and E states that a large mass of hot rock in the vicinity. When we are digging up in the earth, we got some water, and when we are more dig up in the earth and we get this impermeable area, or we can say, so what is that impermeable rock? So the permeable rock is, we can say, a type of rock. So did you see that permeable rock here? So this permeable rock is type of rock that has the pores or the empty spaces that are linked allowed, and the fluids just like the water we can flow like this. So the water which is under the earth, and just right above this permeable rock, and having the pores here in the permeable rock, having the pores in which helps to like the flow of water, the water can pass through it. So this is a very important aspect in the geothermal field which we must include here. So the option E is the right here. So the option which contain the E would be our right answer. So the correct option for this question will be option number A. The statement A and C and E will be the correct here.